Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to label a pod and then use another command to actually override the label. So labels are used all the time in Kubernetes to sort things out or only grab certain pods or certain deployments and whatnot. We use selectors that are actually used based on labels that exist on the resources underneath. So if I'm creating a deployment, I can choose to do so with a selector that says only grab the pods as backends that has certain labels. So first of all, let's run a pod, and let's run the simplest one possible. So now that pod is running, if I describe that pod, probably there is no label to begin with. And let's see, output JSON. Yeah, so this is all the JSON output for that particular pod. Let me do this. Let me do the same thing. Grep for label and the 15 so I can see. Actually, let's just see 15 to see if there's any labels. There's kind, label. There is one label. Label is run equals nginx. There's only one label on that particular pod. Now, what I want to do is I want to give it a new label. So for that, I will look up the label command, kubectl label command, and that gives me a whole bunch of examples. So let's just say I want to give it the label foo equals bar. Here's a label example. So what I want to do is I want to name of the pod, in this case is nginx, and the label I want to give it is a key value pair foo equals bar. I believe I can do this. Nginx show labels maybe. Yeah, so that command gives me the labels. Remember that originally had one label running already, run equals nginx. I added a new one called foo equals bar. Now, what I really want to do is I want to show you how to override the label already existing on a running pod. So again, we look up the help for label command, and one of the options is overwrite. Here's the somewhere here there is the override option. So now what I'm going to do is I want to give it a different value this time, foo equals bar 2, and I'm going to give it overwrite option. Now if I look for the labels, I see the label got changed from foo equals bar to foo equals bar 2. This is how you can label a pod and you can overwrite the existing label on a running pod without having to restart it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time.